Lately, I've received a few comments challenging my approach to a carnivore kitchen, so I thought this would be a great time to dive deeper. I want to start with explaining what the carnivore diet is and share the approach I use here on this channel. The carnivore diet is an animal-based way of eating that primarily includes meat, poultry, game, fish, seafood, eggs, and other animal products such as organ meat and dairy. It excludes plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. The idea behind it is that human bodies thrive on nutrient-dense animal foods, which are rich in proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, without some of the potential irritants and anti-nutrients found in plants. The carnivore diet has a variety of approaches, each with its own level of restrictions and food options. On one hand of the spectrum, there is a lion diet, which is a strictest version consisting of just 3 ingredients: beef, salt, and water. This diet emphasizes simplicity and maximum elimination to avoid potential allergens or trigger from other foods, even from the animal kingdom. On the other hand of the spectrum, there's an approach popularized by Dr. Paul Saladino, which also allowed for a lot more flexibility. His version incorporates not only animal-based foods like meat, raw dairy, and organ meats, but also includes certain non-animal foods such as fruits and honey. This approach maintains a strong focus on nutrient-dense animal foods while adding carbohydrate sources from fruits and honey. Most people on the carnivore lifestyle follow a diet somewhere in between. It's important to remember that many people are drawn to the carnivore diet primarily as a last resort for health issues, especially after conventional medicine hasn't provided the relief or solutions they need. They often arrive at these diets feeling frustrated and desperate to find something that works, something that can offer real and lasting results where the other treatments have failed. For many, the carnivore diet became a path to reclaiming their health. This eating approach has led to a wealth of personal success stories, with individuals reporting unexpected and often miraculous improvements in their health. From dramatic reductions in chronic pain and inflammation to remissions of autoimmune symptoms and mental health breakthroughs. The stories shared by those following a carnivore diet can be truly inspiring. These transformations often motivate others facing health challenges to give the diet a try, creating a supportive community of people who've experienced firsthand the healing potential of a meat-focused lifestyle. What I truly appreciate about the carnivore community is a spirit of understanding and tolerance that comes from shared experiences. Many people in the community have had to experiment with their diets to find what works best for their unique bodies, and this creates a deep respect for individual differences. We recognize that each person's body is unique and reacts differently to various foods, making it essential for each of us to take responsibility for figuring out what supports our health best. In this spirit, it's perfectly acceptable to adapt the carnivore diet to your needs, whether that means leaning more into a ketogenic approach, introducing certain foods, or even adjusting based on what feels right over time. Not everyone in the community has the same health challenges, and flexibility is encouraged. Additionally, the body heals and strengthens on the carnivore diet, and many find that they're able to tolerate a broader range of foods and certain ingredients in larger quantities, allowing them to evolve their diet as they progress on their health journey. Well, with this spirit of openness and flexibility, I started this channel to share simple, easy and delicious recipes that are mostly animal-based. My recipes focus on nutrient-dense foods and often include dairy and honey, at least for the desserts. I realize that not everyone can tolerate dairy, and honey may be a concern for some with regard to insulin sensitivity. I also recognize that I include herbs and spices, which are not considered strictly carnivore. And in the future, I might even introduce additional non-carnivore foods into my recipes. That's perfectly okay. You don't need to follow every recipe to the letter. Adapt them to what works best for you. What truly makes this journey special is the feedback and recommendations shared by viewers. These comments are invaluable as they provide real insights that might benefit others in the community. I'm so grateful for this exchange because it turns Severine's Carnivore Kitchen into a collaborative space where we can learn and grow together. By offering a wide variety of recipes from savory dishes to sweet treats, I'm hoping to give back to this amazing community and support others on their journey toward incorporating more animal-based foods. My goal is to make it easier and more enjoyable to add these nutrient-rich foods to your diet, providing inspiration for variety and helping you stay motivated. Whether you're new to animal-based eating or simply looking for fresh ideas to add more animal protein, I'm here to help you make this journey both delicious and sustainable. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up to this video if you agree, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you next week for another recipe. Bye!